So we're talking a little bit about fitting liner seals in the 498 block. I've covered this before, but I'm going to go over it again. So as you can see in here, we've cleaned the liner O-ring grooves spotlessly. Now, what I always recommend doing is checking for damage or corrosion in the grooves. If the grooves are like this in the bottom, are very good. What you can use is either a bit of pure soap. To be fair, I have used tyre beading soap because it doesn't contain salts like your washing up liquid. It has got, it won't affect the rubber, and it has got some rust inhibitors in it. So we've got two liner seals on the 498 series. We've got a thick one and a thin one. The thick one is the one that goes in first to the bottom. So I've smeared a little bit of grease on it. Just pushing it in. You can see that's fitted. And then the upper O-ring, the thinner one, is only really there to stop the coolant getting down to the second seal. And what it does, it protects the machining sort of between the seals. So right, I've done that. So now what I'm going to do now is apply a little bit of the soap just to the bottom of the liner, especially the chamfer. Now what I tend to do now is make sure that I've not got anything that's going to go here where the liner sits. Just make sure it's absolutely, I've already cleaned it and I've already set my heights. So I'll just wipe around the edge just to make sure, and then I'm going to carefully pop it down. What I tend to do is just sort of drop it on top of the seal, and you can feel that it's in place. You can put your hand down, you can just double check. We've all done it where we've been in a haste and pushed and chopped the seal, and then what I do is I put my body weight on it and sort of just push, and hopefully you'll see that it is going just with my body weight all the way home. Now what I would like to show you is if those O-ring grooves have been corroded, I wouldn't have gone for the soap. I have used clean engine oil. If it was a damaged O-ring groove, I would have gone for some instant black gasket, and I would have smeared it right around the O-ring when I fitted it, because it'll set in the pits. The only problem with using instant gasket, as soon as you had pushed the liner in, we would have had to use some large washers and some bolts to make sure it's home, because we've got a habit of rising out a little bit. So yeah, hopefully this will help everybody out.